If you're looking kinda hot, but your hair is not gonna Ronsay TV. If you wanna be
Welcome back everyone, Ronsay here. In today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve this gorgeous hairstyle. First, I am going to go ahead and comb my hair through. I'm parting the hair right now. I wanted a side part, as you guys can see, but this will be curvy. I wanted a curvy but side part, okay? And so I am going for that.
I'm guilty. Adamu, I don't know how I feel love for you, but Adamu, your body do me something better. Oh, Adamu.
I'm going to go ahead and use this Eco Styler gel.
I love it. Yeah.
So I'm just going to apply the gel. I am applying it on the front section. I will go through it with a hairbrush and brush the hair, and also I will also do the same thing on the other side, the other section.
With you, I want to die. Yeah, give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever. Forever. Let's say I cross for you, I'm guilty. Yeah. No matter what you do, for you never come over.
You know how that is when your hair is natural. So I will be adding more gel as I go, and trying to lay this hair as flat as I can, okay? So
Be all over, be all over, be all over, yeah. Baby, be my lover, be my lover, be my lover, yeah. I don't like cheat now, babe. I let her pick myself for you, love me, I know the fret. Yeah, yeah, Adam, 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 yeah. I love you, Adam, Adam.
I'm gonna just pull a little hairs on the side like so, and then I'm gonna use the comb. I'm just gonna put a little line, but I have to make sure that I really define it, so I'm still gonna add some gel, and then I'm gonna go over it again with a comb. I will just keep going until I'm satisfied, okay? So that way you see me doing is a little stronger, you know. So if you have short hair, or if you have hair like mine or even shorter, you can actually achieve the style as well. You just have to, you know, you gotta do more, you gotta add more gel, and you gotta also go over and over until you get it. But you can definitely achieve this look.
For you, I take a bullet. Me no care. Adama, give me a love formation. With you, I want to die. Yeah, give me a love formation. With you, I want to live.
So now I am going to get this hair on a knot, as you can see, and then I'm going to add more gel and also take the brush. This is my edge brush, and so I'm just gonna go with my edge brush and try to lay this hair again. So that's what you see me doing right now. Just gonna add the gel and use the brush, because you have to make sure you get it all together.
Yeah, yeah, I want to be all over, be all over, be all over, yeah. Baby, be my lover, be my lover, be my lover, yeah. I don't like cheat now, babe. I let her pick myself for you, love me, I know the fret. Yeah, yeah, Adam, 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 yeah. I love you, Adam, 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 yeah. You love your travel.
So once I'm done with that, I am just going to take a head wrap and just wrap my head and leave it for 30 minutes. I'm going to use braided hair. I have twisted it. I actually did twist 3. I have 3 twists.
Yeah. I'm in love with you, yeah. You, yeah. The bird and go crazy for you, yeah.
I use almost 2 packs of hair for the twist. So you have 2 that you see right now, but the third twist is gonna be attached to the hair later on in the video. And so what I'm doing right now, I am going to make sure that my hair knot is covered with the twist, with one of those twists. And then I'm gonna use bobby pins to just secure that down there. And then I'm going to use the one twist, as you can see. I'm gonna wrap it over my knot, and then I'm gonna just take it round from the line, as you can see from the side. And while I go, I will be using bobby pins and just to secure it. So you will need more bobby pins for the style. Okay, so because it's going to be all secured with bobby pins, so that way you see me doing as I go. I use the bobby pins, and you don't get to see all of it here, but I did use a lot of bobby pins just to secure that, because this hairstyle should stay at least for 3 days for me. Now you see me adding the third twist, and so that the last twist that I'm adding here, and I'm just gonna make sure that I wrap it. So you're gonna see me wrap it like a circle, and I wrap it all the way till I get to the mid part. And as you see, I'm just adding more pins to make sure the hair is secured. Here you go. This is the final result. I am so happy with this hairstyle. I'm so loving it. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe,